Hi everyone, it's Teresa and I'm back today with another resin video. Now in the past I have made refrigerator magnets using UV resin. Well, today I want to try making them with regular resin. So let's get started. I have just a limited number of magnets left, so I want to use those, and I'm hoping I don't have the same issue that I had with the UV resin where they get too close to each other and try to move around. So hopefully that doesn't happen. And these magnets are going to be Christmas presents from my daughter. Now I've already mixed my resin. I just have to add the color to it. And right now, these magnets are not cooperating. I don't know if it's because I got my gloves on or what. I'm having a hard time getting them apart. Okay, so we'll just do these. And hopefully these will turn out like I want them to. I know with my daughter for Christmas, she decorates everything in red and gold. So that's why these are going to be red and gold. I think I want a little bit more gold flake in there. I'm just not having that good of a day today. Do you hate it when you have one of those days where nothing wants to go right? That is my day today. And there's Minx yelling at the door. He wants in. So he's going to be very vocal. Not quite as vocal as Lucky. Lucky you can hear from one end of the house to the other. Now I am using bright red colorant by Let's Resin. And then I have some Crafter Square red glitter from Dollar Tree. And I just want to give it a little bit of shimmer. See, I'm getting that deep dark red color with the glitter. It looks really pretty. Okay. And I'm kind of shaky today too, so that's not helping me. And I'm not filling these all the way to the top because I want to dome them. Okay, we'll let these sit and see what we can get. I'm going to try off camera to get some of these magnets apart to see if I can, you know, make some more. So we'll let these cure and then we'll see you tomorrow. I am not going to use my resin curing machine. I'm going to let these, I'll just cover them and let them cure normal. Okay, it's been 24 hours, so these should be cured. Now, I had some leftover resin, so I started making a few things. So let's look. These are the things I started making, and there's other things I want to do with them. So I am going to pull all of these out of the way, but I think they're cute. So here are the letters, and they look really well. You don't really see too many bubbles or anything. So now what I want to do is I want to dome them. And originally I was going to use regular resin to dome them. But I'll be honest, I'm too impatient just to dome these. So what I'm going to do is use some high gloss UV resin and we'll give it a try. Now when I dome, I like to leave them in the molds because I'm not that good at doming yet. And I've seen lots of people freehand, but I don't trust myself to be able to do it just yet. All right, I'm gonna put my little UV light on them and I'm gonna work on these over here. Okay. Hopefully those are dry. I just put the cord through it. Okay. So as soon as this one is done, we will demold them. Oh, it seems like a long minute. All right. Okay. Let's see how they did. I got a little bit of overflow, but I think that looks good. I might put this back under the light. It's still a little tacky, but it looked good. Here's the R. I'll take off the overflow. there we go. To be honest, I think these that I did with regular UV or regular resin and then a UV top coat look better than these that I did with UV resin. Because these I did 3 days ago and they're still kind of tacky. And I know there's a lot of color in them, so it doesn't seem like it wants to dry, but I've had them sitting in a windowsill. But there we go. If you make the letters for keychains or magnets or whatever, which do you prefer? UV resin or regular resin? Let me know in the comments below, and we'll see you again. Bye.